No, I just received an intelligence report and it seems to be very reliable. Huwag na lang, bukas na lang.
Ang ano na eh. Ombudsman Boying eh. Kaya ka na nga ano eh, nangano ka eh.
Oh, sige. There was a delivery done in of the 18 Marines, supposedly the joint affidavit of the 18 Marines pointed to a delivery to one of the Congress persons, no? One of the congressmen or congresswomen gated that angle. It appears that this delivery was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. That picture that was put in the affidavit was done during the time of Velasco. So it's not an entirely accurate depiction of even pictures. What you see here is really a manipulation of facts to make it appear that that angle. It appears that this delivery was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco.
So, nangyari daw, doon sa affidavit, one of the pictures, most probably insert yung isa sa mga pictures doon, inserted doon sa affidavit, nangyari during the times of Velasco. And of course, nangyari yan, or nagkaroon, Ombudsman Boying end up saying this because, of course, siguro dahil sa masusing investigasyon.
So, it's not an entirely accurate depiction of even pictures. What you see here is really a manipulation of facts.
Manipulation of facts kasi parang, di ba, ang tinano nila dyan kung mali yung una, mali na yung lahat. Yung parang, di ba, yung theory nila dyan. Pero ang dami na kasi. Ang dami na Hindi ko nga rin kasi maintindihan tong 18 na 18 daw. Tapos biglang 8 nagtatrabaho raw kay Saldico. Ngayon, 8 pala doon, di nagtatrabaho kay Saldico. Tapos 6 sa kanila may may mga kaso. Tapos 4 doon sa kanila hindi raw Marines. Alam niyo yun? Ang problema lang kasi kaya din nahahanapan tayo ng butas Bitin-bitin din talaga sa mga informations na binibigay
It appeared that was that, but actually they were playing with timelines, and this is one timeline that they played with. That this happened before the term of President Marcos. Some of them, at least, one picture that showed that was used in the affidavit would show us that it was done during the time of Lord Velasco as Speaker of the House. At least just one of them. I'm not talking about the others, but there was one picture there that was put in the affidavit that was actually taken before we assumed office. Maleta na dineliver sa isang tao. Ang report sa amin, pero yun naman. Pero yung report niya, it was delivered during that time. So, you're talking about something happening before 2022.
Before 2022 pa.
Ano dito? I have reason to believe that Mike Defensor was called to task already by people concerned with that picture that was shown.
Are you saying, sir, that photo-based from
Well, he was instrumental in putting together the affidavit. I think we all know that. He's not denying it anyway.
Ayan.
I find out again, but telling me that picture was taken before, during the time that Lord Velasco was still the Speaker of the House. So there was a delivery of money already at that time.
So, sir, it's the same ex-Marines who...
Same ex-Marines, yes.
Diba?
But we're still looking for the individual affidavits based on personal knowledge of all of them.
Ayan.
That is so important. Mahalaga po yan na yung sinasabi ng bawat isang lumagda dyan ay sarili nilang kaalaman. Hindi sa narinig nila.
Kasi yan naman una talaga yung pahayag ni And I think it's justified naman kung ano yung sinasabi ni Ombudsman Boying. Siyempre nga naman, kung single affidavit, parang for me madali lang naman intindihin yung sinasabi ni Ombudsman Boying. Kung 18 sila, parang yung probability na lagi sila magkakasama all throughout that 3 years na yung time span 3 years, almost 1,000 days. Paano nga yun na magkakasama sila kaya lahat agree sila dun sa sinabi ng isa't isa, parang ganun, di ba? Yun nga, alam na rin naman natin na ayaw magpa-interview. I think hindi natuloy yung interview doon sa NBI kasi ayaw ipakastigo ni Topacio. Hindi ko alam ba't biglang napasok sa eksena si Topacio na kung saan ayaw payagan na bakit nga naman daw iisa-isahin, sama-sama nga daw sila, parang full package. Ganun yung pagkakasabi. So, tuloy natin.
Basa nila sa kanilang chat group. Kasi may chat group yung mga yan eh. Marami hong lumabas sa affidavit na akala mo lahat sila nandun. Pero alam naman natin na hindi maaari mangyari yun. At 18 tao lagi ang kasama sa bawat pagkilos na naroon ay tila hindi naman ito.
Ito kung bakit nagsasalita si Ombudsman Boying, no, although I do believe na the investigation is being conducted by the NBI, no? So ako kasi involved si 'di ba nabanggit siya? Merong picture sa ICC. Kaya he has all the rights to criticize kasi kagaya niyan. Especially ang argumento niya is yung sinabi niya kay 'di ba? Ang sabi niya sa bahay ko. Oh, sige. Doon nga. O ano ngayon? Ngayon, yung claim nila na 18 sila, paano nila masasabi? Although hindi na-admit ni Ombudsman Boying na yung dalawa doon na nagbabantay sa ICC, yun nga, dalawa doon sa 18 Marines. Sabi niya, dalawa lang yun nandun. Paano nyo sasabihin na 18 kayong nandun? Diba? Although walang sinasabi, walang admittance, hypothetical lang, sinasabi lang niya na kung if ever, paano yun? Bali sabay-sabay sila magwiwi. Pati pagligo.
Sa normal na katotohanan.
Sinasabi nila na these 18 alleged Marines were summoned by the Office of the Ombudsman.
I think that our investigators, fact-finding natin, na fact-finding already summoned them. Kasi nga, ba't di ka mo kami ng 18 kayong pipirma? Di, kakusapin namin kayo, tatanungin namin kayo sa lahat ng inyong pinirmahan. Di ba?
Correct.
Yun yan, magsasabit ka ng dokumento dito, panindigan mo. Huwag mo sasayangin ang oras ng opisina namin. Kaya dapat, panindigan nyo lahat. Tsaka, ilagay nyo yung detalye ng bawat isang tao kung saan siya kasama. Kasi sabihin natin, there were 200 deliveries or 100 deliveries. Kasama ba siya sa 100 deliveries? Hindi siya nawala kahit minsan? Yun ang tinatanong natin dito. Marami dyan, siguro naka-3 delivery, naka-4, naka-5, pero hindi 100. Pero sinasabi nun, 100 magkakasama silang lahat. Pag pumirma ka, lumagda ka sa affidavit na yon. Hindi pa dapat yan personal knowledge Kaya yun ang gusto natin malaman. Lilinawin lang natin kasi ang hinahabol natin dito yung kamalian pa rin. The act itself is still what we're after. Siyempre gusto natin malaman talaga kung ano nangyari. Not to find fault on anybody, but to know if somebody can vouch for every action. Kung sino talaga ang pwedeng managot. Sabihin natin, delivery sa isang bahay. Sino-sino yung kasama sa delivery sa bahay na yon, sa date na yon. Kasi ganun talaga ang pag-iimbestiga. Hindi pwede yung general statements lang na sabi-sabi, sama-sama ang lahat. You're talking about serious allegations that have to be testified to by the actual people who
Itong mga naniniwala
Sir, knowing that the information that they will recognize, paano natin i-handle yung mga affidavits mo?
ano pa rin, we will still ask them about their own personal knowledge. We will ask them about every detail. Kaya nga magdansabit ka na ganyan dito sa amin, panindigan mo, huwag mo sasayangin ng oras, dapat yung panindigan nyo. Yun naman ang gusto
Yan na din yung pinaka essence ng sinasabi ni Secretary Boying